Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring drivers are current. This prevents false readings. Open Task Manager now with Control plus Shift plus ESC, or launch a dedicated monitor like MSI Afterburner. Once done, close big applications so the GPU baseline is visible. That helps you spot changes. Make sure to run the monitor as administrator when asked, because elevated access reveals per-process GPU use. You're initiating telemetry. This first step gets everything ready for accurate, real-time observation. Now you look at live metrics. In Task Manager, choose Performance and pick GPU to see utilization graphs and memory use. If you need specifics, switch View to Details and add GPU, GPU Engine, and GPU memory columns to track per-process consumption. For deeper telemetry, enable sampling in MSI Afterburner or GPU-Z to record FPS, temperature, and clock speeds. This explains why usage spikes. Once you collect a short sample, compare behavior across workloads to identify bottlenecks or power limits. Finish by saving the data. Record a short session or take screenshots so you can review trends later. Analyze whether low usage coincides with high temperatures, power throttling, or CPU bottlenecks. That diagnosis pinpoints the fix. If the GPU isn't detected, restart the graphics driver with Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B, reseat power cables, and check Device Manager for errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If readings are inconsistent, update drivers and reboot, then rerun your tests to confirm the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.